Hello friends, today is the day. This is the moment that I've been waiting for since it was announced in September 2021. That's right, I've finally got my hands on a Surface Laptop Studio. I know there's been a lot of excitement for this product and a lot of questions, so let's take a look. The Surface Laptop Studio is a device that's designed for creative professionals, web developers, gamers, programmers, or really anyone who wants a powerful device in a unique and portable form factor. Like you, I had a few questions about this product and things that I knew I just wanted to try for myself as soon as I got it out of the box. We've got a lot to talk about today, so I'm going to break it down into three main areas: the look, the feel, and the power. Let's get started with the look because I'm really excited about the design of this product. The Surface Laptop Studio was inspired by some of the best proven elements of the Surface Book, the Surface Studio, and the Surface Laptop. With its boundary pushing design, it's now brought an all new form factor to the Surface family. The design of this new form factor allows you to stay productive in laptop mode with a full keyboard as well as an all new precision haptic touchpad, which gives you gentle feedback as you navigate. Then you can pull the screen closer to you. This is made possible by the new dynamic woven hinge. This mode is great for presenting, streaming content on the couch, or even gaming. Get creative in studio mode. Pull this right down to give you the perfect angles for drawing, sketching, or handwriting notes, all on your portable digital canvas with the Surface Slim Pen 2. Okay, we have to talk more about this hinge design because I was really looking forward to seeing how this was actually going to work. This hinge is designed using a special form of woven fabric, which you can actually see behind the screen as you pull it down into stage or studio mode. A lot of thought went into this, as well as the advanced cable management in the hinge, which allows it to move and pivot up to 180 degrees without putting too much stress on the cables. As you move the screen down from laptop mode into stage mode, you will feel the magnets pulling this into place, which will hold the screen in place as you work. These different modes come from months of research into how people actually interacted with Surface Laptop Studio and how us humans like to work. While there are lots of angles in between, you can feel the magnets guide you into the different modes that Surface Laptop Studio was designed to be used in. The other thing I really wanted to see for myself was what I've seen referred to as the pedestal design of this device. The fact that it kind of looks like a laptop sitting on a stage. I wanted to know what this would mean for the weight, thickness, and overall feel of the device. And honestly, when I'm using it, I don't really notice it. But what I do notice is two important things that this design has enabled this device to do. The first thing is the tuned dual fan active system, which passes through both the CPU and the GPU. The base of this device is designed to improve airflow. So something I find really exciting is when I'm editing a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, I can actually feel air blowing out of the base of the device before I can hear the fans kicking into overdrive to keep powering my workload. The second thing I love about the design of the base is that it now provides a home for my Surface Slim Pen 2. This connects to a really strong magnet and it also charges the pen while it's in place. The Surface Laptop Studio has a 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow touch display, which is in Surface's signature 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you 18% more vertical screen space. The colours of this display are remarkable, with 500 nits of brightness, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, as well as Dolby Vision. You can also go into your settings and adjust the screen between Vivid or sRGB so you can get the truest tones for whatever it is you're working on. Now, let's talk about the feel of the device. Surface Laptop Studio is infinitely flexible and designed to work with you to help you do what you want and the way you want to do it. You can seamlessly transform from a powerful laptop into an entertainment stage, then into a creative canvas. I think this is a core difference between the Surface Book 3 and the Surface Laptop Studio. As you may know, for Surface Book 3, a lot of the core processing power is in the base. But now, with Surface Laptop Studio, no matter what mode you're in, you get to experience the full power of your device. Sometimes I find myself clicking around Photoshop and I realise there's a better way to do this. The faster way would be to use my Surface Slim Pen 2. I can seamlessly go from laptop mode down into studio mode without having to close the programs or wait for it to respond. Now I know I've already name dropped the Surface Slim Pen 2 a couple of times already, but I have to talk about it some more. There's been a couple of important updates to the design of the pen itself. It now has a sharper pen tip for more precise inking, as well as the button has moved from the side of the pen to the flat edge, so I'm less likely to press it by mistake. But my personal favourite addition has to be the haptic motor in the pen. This provides tactile signals to give you that pen on paper feeling. It's subtle, but it makes a huge difference to the inking experience as your pen glides across the screen. But this isn't the only place where we've added haptic feedback. The Surface Laptop Studio has the largest touchpad yet, with the Precision Haptic Touchpad. The best way I can describe how it feels is by comparing it to the experience on my phone. If my phone is completely switched off and I touch the glass, nothing happens. But when it's switched on and I'm tip-tapping around the screen, haptic feedback lets me know that the screen is responding to my touch and doing what I ask it to. If the Surface Laptop Studio is completely switched off, I touch the touchpad, nothing happens. Unlike most laptops where you touch it and you can feel it move. In the Surface Laptop Studio, haptic feedback creates this experience for you. It's ultra smooth and it's really nice to use. There are lots of great features of Windows 11 that allow me to interact with my Surface Laptop Studio in a personal and natural way, like voice typing or touch gestures, both on the touchscreen or that Precision Haptic Touchpad. Surface Laptop Studio allows me to log into my device within seconds, with Instant On and Windows Hello. With Windows 11, it remembers my apps right where I left them, so I can pick up where I left off and get in my flow faster. Not only does the front-facing camera provide me with password-free sign-in using Windows Hello, it also helps me to look my best on video calls. The Surface Laptop Studio has a 1080p HD front-facing camera, which is designed to work well in low lights as well as provide colour accuracy with things like skin tones. This is paired with dual studio microphones, which pick up your voice in a natural way so you always sound clear while on a Teams call. Believe it or not, my background's actually in music, so sound quality is something that's always been important to me. On the Surface Laptop Studio, you enter a new world of cinematic sound powered by Dolby Atmos on quad Omnisonic speakers. These deliver crystal clear audio with a rich bass sound that is equally powerful in every mode. And last but certainly not least, friends, is the power. Surface Laptop Studio is the most powerful Surface device to date. It's powered by quad-core 11th gen Intel Core H series processors that are designed to handle your most intensive workloads. H series processors are specifically designed by Intel to bring powerful performance to the laptop form factor. These bad boys are designed for desktop quality gameplay, creation, and a productive workstation all within that portable laptop form factor. Like most Surface devices, the Surface Laptop Studio has a few different spec configurations, so you can get the device that best suits you and your workload. When it comes to GPUs, there are two different options in Surface Laptop Studio. The i5 models have Intel Iris Xe graphics, and then the i7 models have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti. Over the last 2 years, with spending a lot of time at home, I really quickly learnt that I wasn't someone with very many hobbies that I could do from the comfort of my own home. Because of this, gaming and digital art have now become some of my favourite pastimes. Whether I'm kicking butt in Halo Infinite or just sitting on the couch, drawing and listening to music, Surface Laptop Studio has never missed a beat and it keeps up impressively well. Game Pass Ultimate is the perfect addition to this device. I've explored a plethora of games that I can play both on my Xbox and my PC. With the GPU, 120Hz refresh rate, an amazing screen and that super immersive audio, the Surface Laptop Studio is an awesome device for portable gaming. And all of these factors also help me live my best creative life while working across various apps in the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. The Surface Laptop Studio also has two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, which allows you to connect to external displays as well as other unique accessories. It has, of course, your Surface Connect port as well as a headphone jack. This powerhouse of a device is also supported by up to 19 hours of battery life for that unplugged power when you need it. I am really enjoying using this device, and I love this new form factor. I use it in different ways during different parts of my day. It allows me to stay focused when I need to, or fully immerse myself when I'm doing something fun or being creative. The laptop experience is perfect for my standard everyday work tasks. Then I'm really digging stage mode for gaming or even just watching content on the couch, being a total couch potato. And I have really enjoyed spending more time being focused, creating in studio mode. The Surface Slim Pen 2 experience is one of my many personal highlights in using the Surface Laptop Studio. I hope this video has been useful and answered some of the burning questions that you have had about the Surface Laptop Studio. If not, drop us a line in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.